Hi and welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to talk about the importance of a balanced daily schedule. We all have work to do, we all have responsibilities, we all have basically the same things to do. Like we all want to have something creative to do. We all want to, for example, work out, and we all want to study, and there are tons of things we all have basically the same for us in our daily schedule. But the problem is when you're unconsciously creating your schedule, because then you don't have the right balance of things. Like, uh, if you don't plan out when you're gonna work out, you'll probably be feel too lazy to do it, and you'll probably don't work. You probably won't work out if you do it like that. So having a balanced schedule is very important, and that's why I think it's a good idea to talk about this today. So without further ado, let's hop into this video. Okay, so there are two terms and two important stuff to know. Like, we have structure and we have chaos, and those two, if you create a good balance between those two, then you're gonna crush your day. If you're doing things too structurally, like it's all planned out, and it all has to be on time, and it all has to be the most productive, like you're just trying to squeeze out all the juice out of the life, and then you don't enjoy it as much. If you're trying to be as productive as possible, you're missing out on life, because life isn't in achievements and in the stuff you get from the productivity. And yeah. And also notice that having too much chaos in your day and too much time for freedom, like doing anything that comes up on your mind, that's also a problem, because then you won't do anything productive, and then you probably won't do anything productive, and probably you won't achieve anything. So it's really important to have the right balance. Like, you have some things planned out, and then you have enough time to do anything that comes up. I know this seems kind of obvious. Like, when I talk about it, it seems like it does sound kind of reasonable to have uh, some things that are structured and some things that I can do whatever I want. But most people go into extremes. Most people are unconsciously going through their day, and they're not planning out, okay, this is the stuff that I need to do. Like, I need to work out, I need to work for, I need to study, or I need to, I don't know, you know what I mean. There are tons of little stuff that you can do throughout your day, and if you don't plan out the things that you need to do, and if you don't give yourself the freedom to do whatever you feel like doing, then you're going to suffer, and your day won't be optimal. And it's especially popular nowadays to go into extremes. Like, tons of people are too lazy, and they're literally not doing anything with their lives, and they're just like on their phones and stuff, and they're unconsciously like zombies, wasting their life away. And then you have this personal development culture that says, oh, you need to be productive, like you can't waste any time on your phone, and you can't sleep, you can't play video games, you can't hang out with friends, you just have to hustle. And yeah, so notice that both of the extremes are not optimal for a good life. And notice that the next level in personal development is realizing this, and is actually creating this balance. And I'm going to talk about balance a lot more in other videos, but um, it's really the key to everything basically in life, and therefore in creating your daily schedule and planning out, okay, what we're gonna do. And planning in general is not very popular nowadays. I mean, they don't teach you this in school, like, oh, you gotta plan when to work out, and they don't teach you anything useful for your life, and how to take care of your life, and how to create the optimal life that will bring you the most things you want of life. And the probability is that your parents didn't teach you this as well, and now you have to find out on your own. And that's why I'm here for. That's why I'm trying to help you create the best life that you can have for yourself. Okay, so how do you create that balance for yourself? How do you find out how much time you need to spend on the things you need to do, and how much you can have the freedom? Well, there is no the right way to do it, but I would recommend to write down, like on a piece of paper or in your notes on your phone. Write down, okay, what are the things I need to do this day, and write a couple of things that you need to do, like working out, like the job you need to work, or if you have to study for college or something. Write down everything you need to do, and then plan out exactly when you're gonna do them. Because if you don't plan exactly when you're gonna do them, what happens is that you're gonna think probably, oh well, I did this one thing, and now I can have some fun, I can go on my phone, and you don't even realize then time passes, and now it's your day is over, and you didn't do exactly what you wanted to do. You were procrastinating on your work, and now you didn't do it at all. So find out exactly when you're gonna do those things, and then the rest of the time you have for your creative time, your freedom. And of course, you have to also have the balance in creating the schedule. Like, you don't need to create the schedule every day, but like 80% of the 80% of the days, it's probably optimal to have daily schedule. But like for example, if it's the weekend and you want to hang out with your friends, then probably you won't be able to do exactly plan out everything. So there also needs to be the balance of finding the balance, like I said, for the days that you want to squeeze out the most productivity, and for the days that you want to hang out with your friends and you don't care too much about productivity. And that's the best way to approach your schedule and your life in general. I mean, that's what I think, and that's what I have found out. I mean, I tried tons of different. I tried both extremes. I tried not doing anything, like being on my phone the whole day and playing video games, and that made me depressed as fuck. So I don't recommend that. And I also tried having everything planned out, like in I planned out like uh 20 things for the whole day, like in boxes. Okay, and in like in exact minutes. Okay, this is gonna take 20 minutes, this is gonna take 15, and I had the whole day planned out, and it was going for a while, but um it's not optimal. It feels like you're stuck in this routine. You have to have some creativity and some freedom for choosing, okay, what I'm going to do now. And because things come up, and um, there is no need to be strict with your planning, because in the end it doesn't matter what you achieve. Like, what you achieving things is only for fun. It doesn't matter in the end. You're gonna die like everyone else, and it won't matter at all. So yeah, that's it basically. I want you to take out of this video the importance of balance, and to not go in extremes while creating your daily schedule. And that's it. I think I said everything I needed to say in this short video. I will be talking more about this topic in the future. And yeah, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to smash that like button and comment down below for the algorithm. And subscribe if you're new, so you don't miss other content that I'll be posting in the future. And see you in the next one. Bye.